guys, it's your boy here, Skinny Nemo, and back at it again with another vlog. It's time for the 4th of July vlog. I thought I kind of gave up on doing these things, but I just keep getting asked for it. So as long as I keep getting asked for it, and get a couple of likes, I don't care, 4 likes, whatever, I'll keep trying to put them out as soon as I can. But now, on to the show. It's what y'all came here for. The fireworks.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what's so proudly hailed at the twilight's last gleaming? Oh, beautiful for
Don't mind me, it's recording.
skies, for amber waves of grain, for purple mountain majesties above the fruited plain, from the lakes of Minnesota to the hills of Tennessee, across the plains of Texas, from sea to shining sea, from Detroit down to Houston and New York to LA. Well, there's pride in every American heart, and it's time we stand and say, God bless America, land that I love. America, America, God shed His grace on thee. Stand beside her and guide her from sea to shining sea. I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the men who died, who gave that right to me. And I gladly stand up next to you and defend her still today, 'cause there ain't no doubt I love this land.